dark chocolate mini bites with rum for adults only.
Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today we're gonna make some amazing dark chocolate bites. They are so good, chewy, and delicious. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna place our butter and chocolate in a microwave and heat them for about 1 minute and 15 seconds. Even though they're not gonna look melted, they are. Check it out. They are softened, and that's all we need. If you don't have a microwave, you can melt butter in low heat on a pan and add your chocolate pieces. And we're gonna add all our dry ingredients to a bowl. Our flour, our sugar, pinch of salt, our nuts. Everything's gonna be in our dry ingredients bowl. Then we have a second bowl with our wet ingredients, and they're gonna be vanilla, our eggs, prunes that have been pitted, and then afterwards with a chocolate butter mixture. So we're gonna use an immersion blender to blend the prunes so that they completely mix with the other ingredients. You could actually leave your prunes in rum overnight, the same amount of prunes with a couple tablespoons of rum, and they will be amazing. Blend everything until all the prunes are well blended, and then add your chocolate mixture. Here we go. Place our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. And with a fork, we mix. Check out how easy it is. We don't need a mixer. We just mix with our fork, and that's it. You can do it with 1 fork or 2 forks at a time. Sometimes I use 2 forks when I'm in a hurry and I want to do it faster. We're ready to place our chocolate bites into our pan. I'm going to use a tiny ice cream scoop that's about a tablespoon and a half, and I'm going to drop pieces onto a baking pan that already has cupcake molds, but you don't need it. All you need is a flat baking pan. I added some baking spray, and if you're going to do this recipe because it's gluten-free, don't use a baking spray. Just use some oil spray and not a baking spray, because baking sprays include flour. We put our delicious bites into a 350-degree oven, that's convection, or 375-degree regular oven, for about 8 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Amazing! You get 60 bites from this recipe. They are delicious, great for evenings when you have a lot of food. They're very easy to digest with the oat flour and the coconut sugar and the rum and the prunes. They are delicious. They are not overly sweet, so if you want them to be a little bit sweeter, instead of adding 8 ounces of dark chocolate, add 6. I add powdered sugar to my serving dishes in the bottom when I have desserts, always. I like it because they don't stick to the bottom. Bottom of those foods are the most delicious, and they're a tiny bit sweeter. We're gonna mix 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and a tablespoon of dark rum. Whatever is your favorite rum, that's it. Mix it and serve it. This little tiny cup is good enough for your 60 chocolate rum balls. It's just a touch of rum, and it's like a transition into the sweetness. So if you're having a meal with wine and food and lots of cheese or special things, then you have these delicious rum bites of the dark chocolate. Chef Pachi, delicious food, amazing mood.
Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.